Here's a quick tutorial to connect an AI to your Unreal Engine project. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up the new MCP plugin available in Unreal Engine 5.8. First, create your project. I chose the third-person template. Make sure to select C++ and name it whatever you want. Once you're in the Unreal Editor, go to the Plugins menu and enable Unreal MCP. Then enable the Editor Toolset plugin. Finally, enable the Terminal plugin. Click Restart Now to apply the changes. Go to Editor Preferences. Search for Model Context Protocol and check Auto Start Server. This will automatically launch the server that allows communication with the AI. Next, search for Terminal. Add these 3 lines in the Startup Commands section. I've put the exact lines in the video description. For the second line, replace it with the path to your own project. For the third and final line, I'm using Claude as an example. Replace it with your own AI agent. Finally, in the command line at the bottom of the terminal window, type the command that generates the server configuration file. This line is also in the description. Make sure to specify the name of the AI you're using. In this case, ClaudeCode. You can find the correct name on the official Epic Games documentation page. I've also put the link in the video description. You can also type all to generate the configuration files for every AI at once. Now it's time for the test. Go to the Tools menu and open a terminal. Claude will ask you a few questions and ask you to authenticate. Let's ask Claude to add a cube to our level. And there you go. After thinking, Claude added a cube at position 0, 0, 100. It's not visible, so I'll move it a bit. Next, let's change its color to red. Claude created a new material for this cube and changed its color. All of this is done simply with natural language. It saves you from having to navigate through Unreal Engine's many menus and parameters, and from writing code. What feature or system would you ask it to create first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quick overview, hit the like button, subscribe for more Unreal Engine and AI productivity tips, and I'll see you in the next video.